right. Oh my gosh, this work stuff is hard. It's making me thirsty. And hungry, of course. Should we go get something from the vending machine? Oh, that's a great idea. Got any money? Yeah. Oh, I'll pay you back. Oh no, it's fine. Come on, Mitzi. Vending machine. Am I right, Mitzi? We're needing a juice box of any kind. Asda is British for Walmart. There's scissors. I'm just using PVA glue, or as you guys call it, liquid glue, because I can't really find any glue sticks around here. And it doesn't matter if it's already being used. Now let's get started. Then wash your juice casting out. Hole in your juice box. All holes the same in the shape of a rectangle. It only takes up about that much space. One scissor thingy, blade thingy, into one of the holes and start cutting. Until you get to the next hole, and then cut from this hole to that hole. This one to this hole, like this, and put this part to the side. You'll be needing it later. If there's any leftover juice in there, or liquid, then just tip it out in the sink. Round. Start drawing the shape and size of the juice box onto scrap the colored paper. Then you can simply cut it out. The other side, also to your side. And then get this. You'll blob some glue tack. Put blobs of glue tack in each of the corners. Then flip it over onto the juice box and press down. Or with your scissors. And then get one bladey thingy from the scissors and pierce a hole in it, in the paper. Cut lines to the wall. You can take the paper off. And you can start taking the blue tack blobs off. Cover the whole in paper and glue. Stick it on to your juice box. Just fold in the stuff by here to make a nice, lovely thing like that, as I have done. And then you can leave it to dry. One ours is going to take ages to dry, so we're going to make some videos of us exercising in the gym. See, this is just the jumping area. We're hanging out here because our favorite part. Yay! So you can watch these funny videos. Should I have this cheese sandwich or the chocolate bar? Ooh! Ooh, that looks yummy. I've never tried one of those before. Oh my goodness. So tired. Please, water. Must have water. Glue is dried, so let's get on with the rest of this tutorial. Colored paper and put there, and still draw around the size of it. Then cut it out. Go all over it. And more funny videos of us in the gym. We're gonna show you the next part to save time. Cut from the side. See, I told you we were leaving it. Glue paper or whatever. Oh, and decorate them and stuff. And then stick them on. Then you can get the thing. Ours is dried now. So I'm just gonna put this to my side. And I'm gonna put it like this. So one side is on its edge. Like all the other times, draw around it. Now for this, I'm gonna fold it in half because you need 2 of these. Have 2 of these, and go ahead and glue them on. Bother to wait for them to dry, so we're just gonna do the bottom. You don't have to do the bottom. Actually, no, we're not. Okay, so once you've done that, then you can get extra scrapbooking paper or whatever, and then cut squares of it out and then stick them on. Then you get your paper, whatever the vending machine is, whatever color the vending machine is, and then cut pieces about that big out of it. Like these, and then like push and snacks and stuff. Then glue this one onto the top. Push, pull, or open, or whatever. You turn it over. Stick it onto the bottom. Open and close it. And open and close it. Side piece. The glue tack blobs on the edges, and then stick it on. Wait! We're not done. We missed the most important bit of all. Plus, it's the most boring. We have to tidy up. This sounds boring. Oh well, we have to do it. So let's do this. Wait a second. We missed the most important bit. We have to tidy up. we go. How do you make your own vending machine? Bye. Bye. Okay, we're even practicing. Let's see. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Subscribe! Chicken torque! It's a miracle! Goodbye. I'm out. It's gonna take ages to dry, so it's gonna take ages to dry. Yeah. Can we start this again? It's gonna take ages to dry. Yeah, I can't say that word properly. Stop the stupid camera. Stop filming this thing. Okay. Siphon. Put blue tacks on the edges. I mean, blobs. Yeah.